Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, where everything is made with love in every stitch. And I'm here with the word of the day with Create with Becca, which is the word for November 22nd was cat. It's cats, and this is video number 15. So we're going to get this show on the road. And we're going to put that over there and this up here. And I have this cute little kitty cat here that was sent to me in some Happy Meal. And I thought, maybe this one. I like this one better. So, yes, I'm going to do, let's see if I do it this way. I'm going to do this one. I'm not decided. I'll, I'll take it. Okay, let's get that glue on. Let's get the mat on over here. Okay. Now we're going to stick her on here like that. I'm going to take this and smooth it out. And we're going to trim it out like this. Now you can add more to this if you want to, but I'm going to leave it as is because I don't know what project I will put this in. So we will see what I do. Okay, let's see, there's a little spot that came up right here. So we're going to glue it down. Okay, finish trimming this out and we will be good to go. Okay, so I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. And please remember, you are where everything is made with love in every stitch. Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, be safe. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now. Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and I'm here today with day 14, video 14 for November 19th. The word of the day is love, and it's word of the day with Create with Becca. So, here we go. Let's get this one on the road. So, we're going to move this out of the way, and we're going to draw some hearts. Well, that one looks kind of funky. Then we're going to do some Zentangle. And all Zentangle is doodling inside of a space. Like so. Or you can do this. turn it around. Okay, we got that one. Just doodle whatever you want inside the drawing. That's all Zentangle is. You can just put some hash marks like that. And on this, you can do it on the same one. I'm going to draw the word love in bubble letters. It's almost like graffiti. There. You can also doodle in that, or you can do like that. CLOVE. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. And please be kind, be blessed, be caring, be crafty, be safe. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye.